As you know, our today's lesson is about speed, okay? And we have those 4 students. We want to find the speed for each of them. And we have a distance. We said a distance of about 15 or 14 meters, okay? We have a distance which is equal to 14. So we want to know which one is faster, okay? It means we will find the speed. We will start with Mohammed Mahdi, then Mustafa, and the third one is Ara, then the last one is Muhammad Ziad, okay? Let's see which one is faster. 1, 2, 3. Okay, Mustafa, 1, 2, 3, we start.
Today we're going to explain how to find speed. We explained that speed equals to distance over time. For example, today we did a competition between the students. We got 4 students. We did a 14-meter race and each student got a different time. So we're going to find out how much those students' speed are. So first we got Muhammad Mahdi. Muhammad Mahdi ran 14 meters in 7 seconds. So we're going to say his speed equals to 14 meters over 7 seconds. It equals to 2 meters.
2 meters per second.
2 meters per second. It means he can run 2 meters per second. Mustafa Shakir, he ran 14 meters in 8 seconds. And if you divide 14 by 8, it equals to 1.75, which means 1 3/4. Means 1.75 meters per second. Then we got Ara Amand. He ran 14 meters in only 5. If we divide 14 by 5, it equals to 2.8 meters per second. And then lastly, we have Muhammad Ziad. He ran 14 meters in only 6 seconds. And if we divide 14 by 6, it equals to 2.3.